order. Fun fact, actually, really sad fact. Really? You're really gonna do that right now? Baby! Flossie and Ben Morris a thing. Get alive! Get, oh my god, oh my god. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. Hello there! Oh, blimey, it's windy today. Not only am I not mentally strong, I'm also not physically strong in any way, shape, or form. I am a weak and feeble boy. My arms are the human representative for pot noodles. Pre-cooked pot noodles, so just stringy. So a gust of wind, oh god, that lorry was a bit close, darling. If you don't actually mind getting your 2 meters of space back, I don't believe I've let you into my social bubble. Social bubble. Okay, why do I look like a pea? I look like the pea that was under that princess's pillow. Who remembers that? And why was that ever a thing? Why were we taught as children to not sleep with peas under our pillows? Like, what was the meaning behind that? By the way, I'm doing a drive with me, if you can quite tell. This traffic is starting to get bad, and I'm on a race against time here, people. A race against time. The time is 10:47 a.m. and McDonald's breakfast closes in 13 minutes. I feel like I'm in that movie, Tron Legacy. I never actually watched that movie though, so I don't actually know if this is the plot line. I swear the plot line is just people running the like 400 meters at the Year 11 sports day with LED neon lights wrapped around their forehead. Like, was that not just the plot line? Also, this time is extremely early for me, my body, and my soul and mind. My mind is telling me no. Okay, no, we're not doing that. 10:47 a.m. Core blimey, darling, core blimey. You are lucky if you were seeing me out of my bed, my chambre, before 1 p.m. in this second lockdown. Whoa, okay, I predict an earthquake up in here. I'm on my second coffee of the morning, and I only woke up about 40 minutes ago, so it's probably going to explain the rationale. Apologies went round a roundabout. You know me and my roundabouts. They're just so unpredictable these days. Hey, hey. I'm here. Thank God it's still open, because I'm really sorry. I could not eat right now if McDonald's breakfast had shut. People who don't eat breakfast foods as the first thing that they eat in their day, genuinely terrified. Like, I fear you. Like, you are my sleep paralysis demon. How can you wake up and like get, yeah, I'll have a popcorn chicken from KFC. How can you wake up and be like, oh, go on then, slap me on a quarter pounder with cheese? Can I please have a sausage and egg McMuffin meal? Do you have any iced lattes?
No, we haven't, sorry.
Could I just get another hash brown, please, then, and then that's it? You see, people, this is when my big brain energy comes into hand. See, I'm not like these other YouTubers. I have a university degree under my belt, so my brain is a little bit more advanced from them. You bring it from home, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks. Bye. Also, who's seen the McDonald's Christmas advert? Really cute. And also, I also really enjoyed the song from the McDonald's advert. Forever young. Ow. Oh, that's a one-way system, darling. There's a seagull on top of that car. You're not supposed to be there. My. Anyway, I'll show you guys on my Instagram, which if you don't already follow, you're missing out on a grand bloody grand bloody good time. Before I get onto that, it's time for an ad break. Do you shop on the interweb on www.insertwebsite.com like myself? Then you, ladies or gentle pig, need to download Poucj. Poucj is a free browser extension. Poucj is a free browser extension which automatically finds and applies discount codes when you're shopping online. I used it here today while I was shopping on asos.co.uk. It popped up for me at checkout and I went ahead and saved my moolah, baby! I saved my moolah! And it is great for us Brits because it is actually the biggest extension of the type in the UK with over 3,000 sites. Black Friday is coming up, and with nothing else to do other than sit in the four walls of our bedroom, I will be online shopping. I will be partaking in that activity. You do not have to beg me twice, darling. I am making sure Poucj is on my browser in time for Black Friday. All you need to do to download it is click the link in the description box. Using my link, joinpoucj.com/i/lewys, and it literally takes a few clicks to install, and you can get happy shopping and saving, baby. Anyway, the most important part of my day. Oh, baby, the hash browns! The hash brown! Oh, baby! I am sorry, I think the McDonald's hash brown is up there with the top 5 delicacies in this world. Like, you know when they say there's like the big 5 animals and it's like elephants, giraffes, maybe like a penguin's involved? Zoella's dog Nala might be in those 5. I would say a hash brown is in the equivalent of the food of that in the... Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. In my funeral, I'm gonna have hash browns as like one of the only food options. But what better thing while you're bawling because the most gorgeous person in the whole wide world has died comfort you than I'm f***ing McDonald's hash brown. I'm gonna have at my funeral McDonald's hash browns, the M&S mac and cheese bites, and Nando's garlic bread with peronaise. They are the only food options there. I'm sorry, if you want anything else, then you will have to leave and be seen as a bad person for leaving a dead person's funeral. And if you're vegan, then darling, just suck it up, because if you dare complain or try and ask for vegan food on my day, I will be coming back to haunt you, because no one will be taking the spotlight away from me in the funeral. What TV show are you watching at the moment? I'm currently just about halfway through a Netflix series called Dead to Me. Bloody hell, you need to strap in your seatbelt when you're watching that season, darling. I feel like I haven't seen anyone watch it or talk about it, so if you have watched it, actually no, if you have watched it, please do talk about it in the comments, because I haven't finished it yet. And if this show gets spoiled for me, because it's basically like, well, I can say this, because it all comes out in the first episode, basically. Or if you don't want to find it, just skip 30 seconds ahead. This woman's husband gets hit by a car, and she's like, oh my god, it's so sad. And she goes to like this support group. She befriends this woman in the support group who moves in with her. Little does she know. Under that fringe of that woman is a big secret, and that secret is that she's the one who kills the husband. But this show, there's a new surprise at the end of every episode, so if someone spoils this show for me, I will never show my face on the internet again. What do people who spoil TV shows actually get out of it? Like, do they get a rise? Do they feel their blood boiling through their veins and a dash of serotonin going through their body? The serotonin... Right, darling, if you had something to say, you could have just asked politely and I would have given you your spotlight. Bloody seagulls. Did that seagull just like throw a stone at my car? Get alive! Get— oh my god, no, sorry. I just shouted that at an old lady. I meant to shout that at the seagull, that is. I will gladly never be showing my face in public again, thank you very much. Loads of people asking me about I'm a Celebrity. I really like the Wales castle. I think it's brilliant. I'm enjoying it. It's like a fantasy, like my favourites right now are Beverly, Steve, I think his name is. Oh, and Mo Farah. Who doesn't love Mo Farah? Why are you so sexy? Haha. Thank you for the revolution. The new Gossip Girl reboot and cast. Everybody and their bloody mother seems to be hating on it. I think it looks brilliant. Literally looks like Gossip Girl meets Euphoria meets Elite. And they're like 3 of my favourite shows. Actually, fun fact, I'm not... actually, do I actually want to admit this online? I'm going to save it for an unpopular opinions video, actually. I need that clickbait, darling. Oh my god, and the cast... bloody hell, they're a little bit of sparse, aren't they, darling? Does everything happen for a reason? Like, I get the thinking behind this. I just think it's quite a dumb way to live. Yep, I'm a philosophy and ethics student. Yep, I got an A in philosophy and ethics, so my reasoning is probably going to be great. I don't know, it's too early in the morning. It's literally just past 11 a.m. My brain is not even awake yet. The brain cells are still tucked up in a little cocoon in their bed. But I don't think I believe in it, but also I understand it. Flossie and Ben Morris, a thing. They like kiss once, and then it was like kind of like a drunken thing, like we shouldn't do that again, but now I think they're actually starting to see each other. Okay, the sunlight's hitting my face. What are you going to do with your degree? Nothing. I don't need it yet. But my track record with people in my life, they seem to leave my life after about 3 years because they're so sick of me. So going based off the statistics, if we're doing a fair scientific analysis and, you know, prediction, I would say my YouTube career will last no longer than 3 years because people will be sick of me and leave me like everybody else in my life. So I'd say it'll last me in 3 years if I'm using my degree. What's your dream life / goals for the future? I don't really like setting goals because then I just get disappointed when they don't happen because I'm too lazy to actually make them happen. So... what a sad little life, Jane. I was literally about to be like, I don't have goals or... How sad. I guess what I'm doing now, I just like living my life. I live my day as if it was my last. I live my day as if there was no past. Any childhood stories worth telling? Fun fact, actually really sad fact.
Fun fact, actually really sad fact.
I always get my own way. The only time in my life when I can think I didn't get my own way, I went to Universal Studios with Millie and Carmi last year, and obviously a group of 3 in a theme park. I'm no mathematician, but that is an equation for disaster. Carry the X over, oop, there's the answer, and the answer is it's a shit show. So those two decided it would be funny to go on the 2-seater and me on my 1-seater when I was the one who was shotgun. First of all, the rule of shotgun is sacred. It's as old as the Bible. Like, honestly, you're gonna disrespect the rule of shotgun? Really? You're really gonna do that right now? Right here, right now in Universal Studios, disrespect the rules of shotgun? I don't think so, darling. Not on my watch.
Not on my watch.
So that was the one time I can think I didn't get my own way. But when I was younger, I was an evil genius. You know when you were younger and like your family would do like a photo shoot like every 5 years? They'd get like pictures to put on the wall. I really wanted this toy and my parents wouldn't get me it. And then this photo shoot came around. My mind, baby. I saw this perfect opportunity to get what I want because, as I said, I always get what I want. I would not partake in the photo shoot. It was a protest. I was a demon child. The cameraman would be like, 3, 2, 1, say cheese. And my family would be like, cheese. And I would literally be on the end like, and then my mum was like, you need to stop this. And I was like, no. She was like, what do you want? And I was like, I will smile in the photos if you buy me this toy. And guess who got their toy, baby? Do you ever think you'll dye your hair back brown? You see, the thing is, this is like how I like it the best. I don't really like it when it's dyed from like the root to the top blonde. I think it just looks very, kind of looks like a wig. Like I look like I could be on Judge Rinder. Is that show? Oh, okay, golden hour. I can't say. Dye my hair brown until I literally will need to, but saying that, I've only bleached my hair twice and it is literally already dyed. Of your playlist, love your old ones from ages ago when you did first of all, you didn't understand that question because I didn't finish it. But basically, I used to do videos on my channel where I would play my playlist and do my makeup. They were literally my favorite videos to do. The issue is, it's not even that I just can't do. Oh my god! Oh my god, I can hear a f***ing seagull on my roof. What the hell? This is the actual apocalypse. Oh, I think it's gone. I could literally hear its claws scraping. Oh, my Spotify is always actually public. I will leave it linked down below. I basically make one playlist per year because, as already previously discussed, we have gone through this time and time again. This is like cliff notes at this point. I am lazy. There's nothing more to it. Some of my favorite songs at the moment: Bumpy Ride, Heady One for M Honcho, Don't Stop, Megan Thee Stallion, 23, Burna Boy, Franchise, Travis Scott, Back to the Streets, Saweetie, Plain Jane, D Block Europe, Long Time, Wizkid and Skepta, My Affection, Summer Walker featuring Party Next Door. But yeah, you can find the whole playlist over on Spotify, baby. That was my most recent played song. Was clearly going through some tough times last night. 5-year plan / dream. Darling, I don't even know what I'm having for lunch and it's 11:30 AM. 5 years? I don't know. I'm just hoping I'll be alive. That's my bloody plan and dream. Job if you have, if you want. What job would you have if it wasn't for YouTube? For the hypothetical situation. For the hypothetical situation. I'm literally watching you, Seagull. I think after doing a media degree, I would want to go into TV casting. That's very niche. Who the f grows up and goes, I want to be a television caster? Come on, live a little, have a dream, baby. And I have always in my life wanted, okay, I know I wanted golden hour, but now I'm just being blinded. It's kind of rude. And I have always wanted to be a judge on a talent show. And I want to sit there and go, you look like a pop star, you sound like a pop star, golden buzzer! I sounded more like Borat than Louis Wold. Okay, right, this is enough sunlight now. Bog off. 30 years ago, we literally thought, 2020, we're gonna be in flying cars and the buildings are gonna be off the floor. And what, I'm sat in a Morrison's car park in a lockdown waiting for a bloody vaccine. I'm getting hot with the sun, I'm getting flustered. Okay, I think I might need to end this because it's just getting a bit too much. I can't take the pressure. Okay, well, thanks for watching this video. This sunlight is starting to bog me off. See you next time, bye.